Habits to level up your life. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Habits to level up your life. Prioritize sleep, eat healthy, exercise, stretch for 30 minutes, dance, enjoy your beautiful body, and you can dance for 30 minutes daily or 1 hour. Cook more at home, wear sunscreen, journal, practice gratitude. It's so important. Meditate and mindfulness. Limit the news. You have to plan your day. Develop a morning routine. Develop a night routine. Track your finance. Write down your feelings. Write down your goals. Review and reflect. Cut back on smoke and alcohol. Volunteer. Invest in your future. Learn new skills. It's too important. Connect with yourself. Connect with your inner child. Connect with nature more. Connect with your mind, your body, your soul, your inner soul, your inner child. Self-care. Set up networking quality. And it's too important. Listen to your intuition. Okay? Dear Unique, thanks for watching. And if you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And always remember, there is only one you. Okay?